Fáilte roimh arás. Welcome back. Follow me, Miss Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish.
Level A1 Topic a Cahar an Teach agus Lóistín. Level A1 Topic 4 The House and Accommodation. Rannóg a Cahar Troscán agus trealamh. Section 4 Furniture and Appliances. Ag díriú isteach bheithigh Labhairt, focusing in on speaking. Le múna, Troscán agus trealamh a ainmniú agus chuir síos a dhéanamh an Troscán agus an trealamh atá I seomraí an tí. So we'll be learning to name the furniture and appliances and describe the furniture and appliances in the different rooms of the house. Troscán agus trealamh. Troscán, furniture, trealamh, appliances. Board, table, board. Chathaoir, chair, chathaoir. Chathaoireacha, chairs. Cúisneoir, refrigerator, cúisneoir. Soirn, stove, soirn. Fuinneog, window, fuinneog. And now I'll have you repeat after me. Board, board, board. Chathaoir, chathaoir, chathaoir. Chathaoireacha, chathaoireacha, chathaoireacha. Cúisneoir, cúisneoir, cúisneoir. Soirn, soirn, soirn. Fuinneog, fuinneog, fuinneog. Doras, door. Repeat after me. Doras, doras, doras. Labba, bed. Labba, labba, labba. Telefiche, television or TV. Telefiche, telefiche, telefiche. Tolg, sofa, tolg, tolg, tolg. Cofra, cupboard, cofra, cofra, cofra. Leithreas, toilet, leithreas, leithreas, leithreas. And now it's your turn. See if you can name them as they come up. Board, chathaoir, chathaoireacha. Cúisneoir, soirn. Fuinneog, doras. Labba, telefiche. Tolg, cofra. Leithreas. Beag an bilóg Troscán agus trealamh uait don gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need the handout Troscán agus trealamh for this activity. Scríobh an tainm cuí faoin pictiúr cuí. Write the correct name under the appropriate picture. Rownnig an freagra ceart ón mosca atá ag bun an leathannig. Choose the correct answer from the box at the bottom of the page. Agus shahid na focal, and here is the words. Cofra, fuinneog, tolg, chathaoir, sorann, cathaoireacha, leithreas, doras, teilifís, board, labha, agus cuisneoir. Pause the recording while you complete the activity. Agus inis na freagraí, board, chathaoir, cathaoireacha, cuisneoir, labha, teilifís. And did you remember to put the fada on the I? Leithreas, fuinneog, doras, sorann, tóg, cófra. Agus beag an bilog Troscán agus trealamh an trocail uait an gníomhaíocht seo. And you'll need the handout Furniture and Appliances on the Truck for this activity. Troscán agus trealamh an trocail. Tá de chara ag bogatí. Your friend is moving house. Caithfidh tú a chinnú go bhfuil an Troscán agus an trealamh ceart an trocail a chail tú an lista. You have to make sure that the correct furniture and appliances are on the truck, but you've lost the list. Tá an lista ag de chara. Your friend has the list. Cuireann sé Labhairt, he calls you. An bhfuil an Troscán ceart an trocail. Is the correct furniture on the truck. Éist le de chara ag léamh an lista de Troscán agus de trealamh atá le dul na trocailí. Listen to your friend reading the list of furniture and equipment to go on the trucks. Beagart na gréalaí a lína isteach bunaithe an lista sin, agus an Troscán agus an trealamh atá na trocailí chéine. You will need to fill in the grids based on that list and the furniture and equipment already on the trucks. Trocail A. Dhá bhord, an tóg, an cuisneoir, sé chathaoir, dhá labha, trí chófra. Agus arís, dhá bhord, an tóg, an cuisneoir, sé chathaoir, dhá labha, agus trí chófra. Agus inis trocail B, and now truck B, an sorann, an teilifís, ceithre labha, an board, trí ghoras, dhá leithreas. Agus arís, an sorann, an teilifís, ceithre labha, an board, trí ghoras, dhá leithreas. Agus inis na freagraí trocail A, and now the answers for truck A. Le cur an trocail fós to put on the truck yet. Dhá bhord, an tóg, an cuisneoir, sé chathaoir, dhá labha, trí chófra, leithreas. Le buint an trocail to take off the truck, an teilifís agus an sorann. Agus freagraí trocail B. Le cur an trocail fós, an sorann, an teilifís, ceithre labha, an board, trí ghoras, dhá leithreas. Le buint an trocail, an cuisneoir, an tóg, chathaoir. Cad atá ann, what's there? An seomra codalta, the bedroom. So cad atá ann, what's in the bedroom? Tá labha ann, tá cófra ann, níl cuisneoir ann. So there's a bed, there's a cupboard or a closet. There isn't a fridge. So cad tá ann, sa chiste. Tell me what's in the kitchen. Tá cuisneoir ann, níl tóg ann. Cad eile atá ann? What else is there? Well, tá board ann, tá cathaoireacha ann, tá sorann ann. So, The structure is tá, rud éigean, something ann. There's something there. So, bíag smuoinemh, think about gach seomra agus an Troscán nó an trealamh atá ann, and the furniture or the appliances that are there. And maybe think through each room and make 3 sentences about each room, saying something that's there, something that's not found in that particular room. Cad atá ann, what's there? So Aberlum, tell me, cad atá ann? An seomra sí. Tá chathaoir ann? Tá telefíse ann? Níl sorann ann. Cad tá ann? An seomra folca. Aberlum, 3 rudaí atá ann. Tell me 3 things that are there. Tá leithreas ann. Tá fuinneog ann. Níl telefíse ann. Anois, scríobh cuirsíos garad cheomra eile sa teach I dtéanaar. Now write a short description of another room in the house on your own. An sin, lé amach os ordae, and then read it out loud. Beag an bilog Troscán agus trealamh cad atá ann uait an gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need the handout, cad atá ann, for this activity. Cad atá ann? Féach ar an pictiúr seo, cad atá ann? Look at this picture. What's there? Inis tom faoi the pictiúr. Tell me about your picture. Mar shampla, tá fuinneog ann. For example, there's a window. An sin, come 3 cheist le cur ar dhuine eile faoin the pictiúr féin. Then, compose 3 questions to ask someone else about their picture. Mar shampla, an bhfuil táilge do pictiúr. When úsáid as an bhóclóir seo freisin. Use this vocabulary as well. Lampa, lamp, pictiúr, picture, curtini, curtains. Here are an mhaoithir bí. A quick review of the verb be. Cuimhnig ar an gceist an bhfuil tú go maith. Remember the question? An bhfuil tú go maith, are you well? And the answer, tá, tá me go maith, or níl, níl me go maith. So when we ask, is there something in the room, an bhfuil táilg I do cheomra, the answer is going to be tá or níl. Ná Jane Jarmad ar an adiad cealamh chomh maith. Don't forget the possessive adjective as well. Mo fictúr, the fictúr. Chuir an mo nó the séimhiú ar an gconson. So don't forget that mo and the put a séimhiú on the consonant. Cá mian, where does? Cá mian an labha. Where does the bed be? As in, what room is the bed in? Where is the bed? Cá mian an labha. Sa seomra cuddalta. Cá mian an leithreas. Where is the toilet? Sa seomra folca. Cá mian an tolg. Where is the sofa? Sa seomra sí. So repeat after me. Cá mian an labha. Cá mian an leithreas. Cá mian an tolg. And this is the I'm sure gná lárach of the verb be, bían, bían an labha sa seomra cuddalta. So the bed is in the bedroom. Bían an leithreas sa seomra folca. The toilet is in the bathroom. Bían an tolg sa seomra sí. The sofa is in the living room. It does be in the living room. It's there all day, every day. Sa, in the. Cuireann sa séimhiú ar na ghnách chunsin. Sa puts a séimhiú on normal consonants, ach ní ar D, T agus S, but not on D, T or S. For example, sa hiistin, sa seomra, sa teach, sa chóir. So don't forget that when you're asking your questions. Cá mbíonn. Scríobh ceithre cheist cá mbíonn. Write 4 questions cá mbíonn. An sin freagar na ceisteanna tú féin. Then answer the questions yourself. Má gheach féin, my own house. Then cur sí simply a bhfuair dithe féin. Write a short description of your own houses. Becheartaíomh an toilise a chur san áireamh. You should include the following information. Cé bhéid seomra atá ann? Cad iad na seomra atá ann? Agus cuidan Troscán atá i ngach seomra. So how many rooms are there? What are the rooms? And what are some of the furniture in each room? Mar shampla. Tá 3 seomra cuddalta I mo gheach, agus tá seomra sí, cistinn, leithreas agus seomra fáilte ann chomh. Tá labhairt, cófra agus cathaoir I mo seomra cuddalta. Tá tolg, board agus cathaoireacha sa seomra sí. Agus sin é Rannóg a chathair, Troscán agus trealamh, and that's section 4, furniture and appliances, naming the furniture and appliances and giving a brief description of the furniture and appliances in different rooms of the house.
Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools.
Original files are available to download at Teastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacintha.com. Direct links will be in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil a slíomh. So many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for permission to use the learning resources on their website.
Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh tanabas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.